Okay, this stupid chair is so not wheeling because dogs and cats. I have an idea. It happened when I was getting aluminum off of a crankshaft, and I had it soaking in a tub of drain cleaner, and I was brushing the Drano onto the crankshaft. It did a great job getting the aluminum off the crankshaft, but it also completely ate all the bristles of the brush. I wonder. And this will also clean my coffee cup. The most potent drain cleaner there is. Can't remember the name of it. Heavy duty. It comes in its own plastic bag, so it must be potent. As long as it doesn't dissolve the plastic. Okay, just kind of cover that up. Clean the drains afterwards. Yeah. Come back in a few minutes and see what happens. And I think there's a whole nother pet in here. My goodness. Here's the way I found to do it, which works pretty good. Wheel comes right off. Take off all the shedded hair. And then same thing on the axle here. Get all that off. Same two screwdrivers. Oops, get that out of there. To pull the axle out. A little easier. And makes it a lot easier. That drain cleaner didn't work at all. I was surprised. I'm not too impressed with that drain cleaner though, because Drano did a much better job. Now I put a little drop of knocker loose. Both there and there. Get nice big channel locks in here. And snap it back together. Just like that. Done. Now for chair number 2. Before. Okay, second chair after. Much better. And the pile of, it's like a whole pet